Alright. What you have here is a master trigger lock. Taken apart, as you can see, right above it is the cam that keeps it in place right here. That's the spring-loaded cam that releases the lock or holds it in place, either way. The only way, the easiest way I've found, is to drill a single hole with the number 21 or 11/64 drill bit, but no bigger than a number 13 or 3/16. So use a number 21 or 11/64 drill bit, no bigger than a 13 3/16. But all you're doing, regardless of the orientation of the lock on the trigger, because I've seen some idiots put it backwards like that, regardless of the orientation, you're going to drill that hole exactly below what would be the top of this cylinder, but not in the middle. So it's sort of in between the top and the middle, which would get you right in that shear line of what would be that spring-loaded cam. You see what I'm showing here? It makes sense. And it's a lot easier to do when it's on a gun. But all you do after you get that hole drilled is take an ice pick, or what we use is a loom tool, pink shroom tool, whatever, and you can lift up on that cam and it slides right off. Piece of cake. Boom. You see it pop up. Boop, boop. Locked, unlocked, locked, unlocked, and the whole thing slides apart. Very, very simple lock to do. If you don't want to pick it, and you suck at picking, which I'm sure half of us are, then I just drill them. Simple. It takes 2 seconds. Drill it up, pop it up, bada boom, bada bang, locks off, get your money. All right, guys, have fun with that.